Hello students, today we'll learn about coordination compounds. So what is an introduction for the structure, the bonding and characteristics of coordination compounds under inorganic salts that we will learn. So what are the coordination compounds? These are the special salts or complex compounds that have special applications in inorganic sciences applied to biological, biochemical fields also and analytical chemistry. So what are the coordination salts or compounds? Actually there are three types of the salts and coordination complex salts are third type. First type of salts are simple salts in inorganic compounds. The examples are NaCl, KCl, calcium chloride, barium chloride, magnesium oxide. These are containing ionic bonds. They contain cations and anions combined together having crystal lattice. They are aqueous soluble and lost their identity in the solution to ions. Double salts are the second category, which are formed by the combination of two or more simple salts. They also contain ionic bonds. The best examples are potash alum used for water purification, having formula K2SO4 Al2SO4 thrice 24H2. Another example is a Mohr salt, FeSO4 NH4 twice SO4 6H2. These double salts also have the special applications for water purification, water remediation, as catalyst, as intermediates. Another third category of the compounds are nothing but the coordination compounds or complex salts. They were invented by Alfred Werner, for which he got Nobel Prize. So Werner's theory is the first theory to explain the bonding structure of coordination complexes. The best example is CONH3Cl3 complex. CONH3 in the bracket, cobalt is metal, ammonia, electron donating species known as ligand, and outside bracket represented are the ions, chloride ions. In aqueous solution, it forms color solution, loss 3 chloride ions. Ionic sphere and coordination sphere are observed for this complex salt. Here, coordination bonds are present or dative bonds are present in the complex salt. Cobalt 3 plus reacts with 6 amine ligands, forms complex. 3 Cl minus combines and salt is formed. Such coordination complex salts act as catalyst preservatives in medicinal sciences, analytical sciences. They are used as analytical reagents, titrating agents. Coordination complex contains this type of the bonding between ligand and metal. Ligand are electron donating species. Metals are empty orbitals. Takes the lone pairs donated by that ligands. Here ligands act as Lewis bases, metals act as the Lewis acids. The examples of the ligands are ammonia, water, fluoride ion, cyanide ion. Metal cation and ligand combines to form coordination bond in the complex. What are the characteristics of the coordination complexes? They are soluble in solvents, not organic but aqueous solvent solution, and contain identity, loss their ions and retain the color identity. Gives complex and simple ions. Stable bracket are represented for the ions in which ligands are present. They possess coordination and ionization spheres and two types of bonding. Fixed number of ligands are present to the metal. That number of ligands are coordination number Cn. 2, 4, 6 are observed according to that linear, tetrahedral, square, planar and octahedral complex geometries are observed. So where such complexes are observed, also observed in biological fluids in cells. So these are biological complexes. The examples are heme present in hemoglobin, myoglobin of the blood. Chlorophyll, plant pigment present required for photosynthesis in plant. Lumen in the leaves. So such coordination complex have the special applications for electron transfer in biological fluids and cells and possess main biological reactions in the plant and animal cells. So these are very important complex salts, coordination compounds, and are having special applications in chemical field, biological field, analytical field, food industry, food preservation, and also as medicines in removal of toxic ions from blood fluids, for food poisoning in medicinal science, these complexes are also used.